Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix GTA 5 Enhanced OpenIV Init1 Failed. Alright, let's begin. If you are modding GTA 5 Enhanced and the game shows the Init1 Failed error while launching, this usually happens because an old OpenIV file is installed. First, open your GTA 5 Enhanced installation folder. If you are not sure where it is installed, it is usually inside the Rockstar Games directory on your system drive. Once you are inside the main game folder, look for a file named OpenIV.asi. Right-click on this file and delete it. After removing it, open your browser and go to gta5mods.com. Search for OpenRPF and download it. Save the file on your computer. It will be downloaded as a zip file. Right-click on the zip file, extract it, and open the extracted folder. Inside, you will find openrpf.asi. Drag and drop this file into your GTA 5 Enhanced installation folder. So that's basically how you can fix GTA 5 Enhanced OpenIV Init1 Failed. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.